You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno. Let's look at how to pronounce this word in Italian and how you can easily pronounce it in English. How do you say a friend? The meaning here in Italian is a friend. How do you say a friend in Italian? Amico. Yes, the C here before an O is pronounced like a K. Unlike before an I or an E, it'd be ch, but no, it's not amico. Amico. If you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, amico would be the English pronunciation. Amico. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.